In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cinema 4D ProRender OpenCL problems. If ProRender is crashing, failing to detect your GPU, or throwing OpenCL errors, the fix usually comes down to a few targeted cleanups. I'll walk you through them clearly so you can get back to rendering with confidence. We'll start by addressing the most common cause, graphics drivers. Even if your drivers seem current, a proper reinstall from the manufacturer's website can clear out corrupted components and mismatched OpenCL files. Head to the official page for your GPU brand, download the latest driver for your specific model and operating system, and run the installer to reinstall. Avoid relying on generic drivers from your operating system's updates. The manufacturer's package is typically more complete and reliable for OpenCL. Once that's done, open Cinema 4D and test ProRender to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, the next move is to reset Cinema 4D's preferences. This helps when an outdated cache or a corrupt database is confusing ProRender. To do that, delete the DC and description.db folders from your Cinema 4D preferences. This forces the application to rebuild fresh preference data the next time it launches, which can clear conflicts that block OpenCL from initializing properly. Don't worry if Cinema 4D looks like it's starting fresh afterward. That's expected when preferences are reset and is often exactly what ProRender needs to work correctly again. If you're running an older version of Cinema 4D and you still see OpenCL issues after reinstalling drivers and resetting preferences, there's a legacy fix that can help. Remove the files named libmmd.dll and svml.displ from your cpl Windows/System32 folder. These Intel math and vector libraries can conflict with ProRender's OpenCL on certain systems and older application builds. This step is specifically for older versions of Cinema 4D, so make sure that it applies to you before proceeding. Be careful when working inside System32, and take your time confirming the exact file names so you only remove the intended files. After completing these actions, launch Cinema 4D and try a simple ProRender test scene to verify that your GPU is detected and the render starts without errors. In most cases, these steps resolve initialization failures, random crashes, and missing device messages tied to OpenCL. That's it. By reinstalling your GPU drivers, refreshing Cinema 4D's preferences, and if needed for older versions, removing the conflicting System32 libraries, you should have a clean, stable ProRender environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to smooth, reliable rendering.